Hi, it's Dan the ToughSkin Man again, and today I have a leak in a hot asphalt flat roof, and I'm going to show you how to use rubber butter to stop that flat roof leak. So stick around because you're going to learn something. So here is the flat roof leak. You can actually see the cracks in the hot asphalt roof. We've cleaned it a little bit here, but you come along and this is where the transition of the roof goes down. You've got some cracking in this area here and all along this side also. So I'm going to show you how we clean the roof to get rid of the dirt and get it down to the original asphalt. So then we can put the rubber butter on. So here we are cleaning the area with the cracks. And if we don't have access to power and water to use a power washer, you can also use one of these, which are a metalled bristle brush. And what it does is it just takes off the dirt and gets it down to the original asphalt. So after we get this area cleaned off of all the dirt, we then use Max Muscle to activate the old asphalt to make it sticky. And then we can apply the rubber butter. So let's show you that now. So now we have the area that's been cracking. We've got it cleaned off with a wire brush. And now we're going to be using Max Muscle to activate the old asphalt to make it sticky. So we just spray it on the old asphalt area. Spray that all the way around. And then we'll show you when that's sprayed and we're putting rubber butter on it. All right, so now we're applying rubber butter onto the cracked areas. And we'll come back in a few minutes when that's done. So there you have it. All the cracks in this hot asphalt roof have been rubber buttered. Now remember, rubber butter is made from recycled tires. It doesn't have any asphalt in it, so it's not like a bucket of asphalt mastic. Asphalt mastics crack within a few months. Rubber butter never cracks. So that's how you do it. Very easy to fix leaks in flat roofs. So there you have it. Hot asphalt flat roof repaired very quickly with rubber butter. So if you need any more information on rubber butter or any of our waterproofing and cleaning products, go to ToughSkinProducts.com. Look in the dealer list for your local dealer on our products that have it in stock and you can buy it. Or you can also contact us through the website for Team ToughSkin that have someone come out and do this for you. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you on the next video.